పిల్లలు వచ్చేసారా సార్? స్టార్ట్ చేద్దామా?
వచ్చారు సార్, స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం సార్.
ఓకే సార్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
sir.
Good morning, beta.
Morning, sir.
So, shall we start doing the numericals, beta? Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us try to do this question, beta. Maximum density of water. Maximum density of water. Maximum density of water is at the temperature. Is at the temperature. First option is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Second option is 39.2 degree Fahrenheit. Third option is 42 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth option is 4 degree Fahrenheit. Can anyone tell me? Maximum density of water is at what temperature? What is the answer, beta? In expansion of liquids, I told you maximum density of water is at maximum density of water is at. In anomalous expansion, I told you. Did I taught you the anomalous expansion, beta?
4 degree.
How much?
4 degrees.
4 degree centigrade. 4 degree centigrade, isn't it? Now we need the answer. Options are given in what right now for me? Fahrenheit. Can you convert that one, beta? C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 divided by your 9. C value is given how much for me? 4. So it is 4 by 5 is equals to F minus 32 divided by 9. Then, simplify this one, see how much I'm getting the value of your F. This is 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. That is 5 into F minus 32. So this one is 5F minus of your 5 into your 32. This is your 36. So simplify for the value of your F. See how much I'm getting. How much?
$39.2, sir.
How much, beta?
Second one, 39.2.
39. Very good. 39.2 degrees centigrade will be the answer. I hope everyone got this one, beta. This one is 36 is equals to 5F minus 5 into 32 times is how much? 5 into 32 times
160.
60 minus if it goes here 160 plus the 36 is how much for me?
196.
196 is equals to 5F. So F is equals to 196 divided by 5. So this one is 5 3s are 15. 3. That means 5 9s are. And then, so this will become 4. Sorry, 4. 5 9s are 45.7, approximately something. So that will be equal to your for 39.2 degree Fahrenheit. Clear for everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next question. See this question, madam. A centigrade and a Fahrenheit thermometer. A centigrade and foreign heat thermometer centigrade and foreign heat thermometer are dipped in a boiling water or dipped in boiling water. The water temperature is lowered until the foreign heat thermometer registers 140 degrees centigrade. First of all, what is the fall in temperature? What is the fall in temperature as registered by
Sir, how can Fahrenheit temperature register 140 degrees Celsius?
that's what it is giving basically. Foreign heat actually we should be reading in the degree centigrade in the foreign heat. But it is showing how much right now for me? 140 degrees centigrade. That means you should take that value in terms of your foreign heat.
Okay, sir.
What is the falling temperature? What is the falling temperature as registered by the centigrade scale or centigrade thermometer? One try. I'll give the options. First option is 30 degrees. Second option is 40 degrees. Third option is 60 degrees. Fourth option is 80 degrees. Fahrenheit thermometer registered. Otherwise, you take this on Fahrenheit only. Again, the calculation will become problem. Degree Fahrenheit only you take otherwise. Now you can do it out. The centigrade and Fahrenheit thermometer are dipped in boiling water. The water is lowered until the Fahrenheit thermometer registered 140 degree 140 Fahrenheit. What is the fall in temperature as registered by the centigrade thermometer? Got it? Centigrade and Fahrenheit thermometer are dipped in a boiling water. Boiling water temperature is how much better? Boiling water temperature.
100 degrees
This will be your
Celsius.
100 degrees centigrade. Boiling water will be at your 100 degrees centigrade. The water temperature is lowered until the Fahrenheit thermometer registered 140. That means C by 5 is equals to F minus 32 divided by 9. So I'll be getting the value of your C. So it is C by 5 is equals to F is 140 minus 32 divided by 9. See how much I'm getting the value of C beta. Understand? C is equal to 140 minus 32.
40 degrees, sir.
How much you're getting? 40 degrees, sir.
Sir.
Okay. How much? 140 minus 32.
108.
108 divided by 9. This 5 will go up. This will be your 5. So how much I'm getting? You see this one C value?
540 by 9.
How much better?
Sir, 540 by 9, sir.
540 by 9. That means this will go how many times?
40 degrees.
C value. 540 divided by 9 is how much better?
60 degrees.
So this will be equal to 60. So what is the answer?
Third one.
How much? Centigrade and Fahrenheit thermometers dipped in boiling water. The temperature is decreased. Actually, it is showing how much for me? 60 degrees centigrade when it is reduced. Actual temperature is how much for me? 100 degrees centigrade minus 60 degrees centigrade. That will be equal to how much for me? 40 degrees centigrade.
40 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. Clear for everyone? Why I'm doing 100 minus 60 beta? Can anyone tell me? Because actually the boiling water is
Boiling
at a
point.
temperature of 100. Now water temperature is lowered. So when it is lowered, the thermometer is reading how much for me? 60 degrees centigrade. So 100 minus 60 means how much it is lowered means 40 degrees is lowered. Okay. Generally students will keep up this problem and 60 degrees centigrade and come out. But is asking right now there how much it is been lowered. It is been lowered by how much? 40 degrees centigrade. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let us try to go for the next question. I told you yesterday, take the paper and pen and try to do it along with me, beta. Next question. On a new scale, on a new scale of thermometer, on a new scale of your temperature, which is linear, and called the W scale, comma. The freezing and boiling points are the freezing and boiling points are boiling points of water 37 degree W and 239 degree W. What will be the temperature on the new scale? What will be the temperature on new scale, comma, corresponding to a temperature of 39 degrees centigrade on the Celsius scale. So read the question carefully. On a new scale of temperature, on the new scale of your temperature, which is linear. Linear means it is a straight line and is called as of what? W scale. It is called as of what for me? W scale. The freezing and boiling points of water are 37 degree W and 239 W. What will be the temperature on the new scale corresponding to a temperature of your 39 degrees centigrade? This one is 39 degrees centigrade on the Celsius scale. Right, sir? Shall I give the options for this one, beta? First option is given as of your 200 degree W. Second one is 139 degree W. Third one is 78 degree W. And fourth one is 117 degree W.
Sir, 78.
How much?
78.
How?
Sir, first, actually, I found the number of differences, that is 239 minus 37.
30.
I mean, 239 minus 37 I did, sir, first.
Why
Difference with difference between the
37, beta. It is not 30, it is not 39, it is 37. Na?
sorry 37 sir. The difference between the freezing point and boiling.
So this will become for me how much? C by 100 is equals to, this new scale is W minus, isn't it? Lower point is how much for me?
37.
30. No, the corresponding temperature in which it will be reading
39.
39 divided by, this will be equal to how much for me? 239 minus of your 39.
Yes sir.
So how much I'm getting, you see? This is C by your 100. C value is given how much, better?
W minus 39 by 202.
Yeah, so this will become for me 39. This is 37, I hope so. F minus of lower temperature, freezing point, and as well as of a boiling point. That means this should be 37, no? Sorry. This is 37, and this should also be your 37. And this temperature on the Celsius scale is 39 divided by 100 is equals to W minus 37 divided by 239 minus 37.
Yes sir.
See how much I'm getting?
202.
A new scale of temperature which is linear in scale. The W scale, the freezing and boiling points of the water are 37 W and 239 W. What will be the temperature on the new scale corresponding to a temperature of 39 degrees centigrade on the Celsius scale? Yeah, I did correct. How much you getting, beta? This will become for me 39 divided by 100 is equals to W minus.
Sir 117.
This one is 239 minus 37.
Sir, 117.
117, sir.
Fourth option will be the answer. This is how much better? 239 minus 37.
202.
202. So this one is 39 into your 202 is equals to W minus 37 into your 100. So I hope you can simplify it. So find the W value. We'll be getting some around how much? 117 degree W. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you can do such type of a problems now. Okay, can I rub it?
Yes, sir.
This Sunday you'll be having examination on thermometry and thermal expansion of solids. Liquids కూడా రాస్తారా? చిన్న టాపికే కదా.
Solids is enough, sir.
Solids is enough. Huh? Have you started doing the problems, beta?
Yes, sir.
From where?
From the textbook. Telugu Academy.
I have sent you book now.
I'll check it out, sir.
I have sent it the universal self-scorer. No one has started doing the questions from that one. Na? Sure. A constant volume gas thermometer. A constant volume gas thermometer shows pressure reading. Shows pressure reading of 50 centimeter and 90 centimeter of mercury at 0 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. First of all, when the pressure reading is 60 centimeter of the mercury, what will be the temperature? When the pressure reading is 60 centimeter of mercury. Mercury is represented by Hg. The temperature is I'll give the options for this one. 25 degrees centigrade. Second one is 40 degrees centigrade. Third one is 15 degrees centigrade. And fourth one is 12.5 degrees centigrade. I'll read the question. A constant volume gas thermometer shows the pressure reading of 50 centimeter and 90 centimeter of your mercury at 0 degrees centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. When the pressure reading is 60 centimeter of mercury, the temperature is how much? Constant volume gas thermometer shows the pressure readings as 50 centimeter and 90 centimeter at your 0 degree centigrade and 100 degrees centigrade. When the pressure reading is 60 centimeter of mercury, the temperature is how much?
Sir, 25 degrees.
25 degrees. How we got it?
25 degrees, sir.
Very good.
Same formula.
Yeah, same formula. Or else I told you the temperature relation also. T is equals to x at t minus x naught by your x at 100 minus x at t. That means whatever the reading is there right now, the general formula if I'm writing, this will become for me pressure at T degree centigrade minus P naught divided by pressure at your 100 degree centigrade minus pressure at 0 degree centigrade. I can even take like this. Pressure at T degree centigrade is how much? But how much it is reading for me? 60 minus pressure at 0 degree centigrade, how much for me? 50 divided by pressure at 100 degree centigrade is how much? 100 degree centigrade it is 90 minus again 0 is nothing but a pure 50.
50.
So 60 minus 50 is how much? 10. 90 minus 40, 50.
40.
40. So this one will get cancelled. So this one is how much for me? 1 by
1
2.
by.
Antena?
Uh-huh.
Ante kada? This one is also into 100 kada, sir?
No, sir.
Into 100. Ante kada?
1 by 4, sir.
Sorry, 1 by 4. Why I have taken 100? Sorry. It is into 100 also, sorry. So this will be equal to your 1 by 4 into 100. In the general formula, we have this formula. See, check the relation. I hope you remembered it. X at T degree centigrade minus X at 0 degree centigrade divided by X at 100 degree centigrade minus X at 0 degree centigrade into 100. X can be anything I told you. It can be length, it can be volume, it can be pressure, it can be resistance, or it can be anything basically. Did you remember that formula? T is equals to X at T minus X naught by X at 100 minus of X0 into 100, and if we have derived it. X can be anything I told you. X can be the length of the mercury column. It may be the pressure. It can be the volume. It can be the resistance, or it can be the length of the wire, anything. Portunda?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 by 4 into 100 is how much? 4, 5, 25 degrees centigrade. So which option is correct right now for me? First option. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Remaining students are not responding.
Yes, sir.
Try to do the problem faster way better. That is important for us. Take the next question, beta. On a thermometer, the freezing point of water, is marked at 20 degrees centigrade. and the boiling point of water and the boiling point of water is marked at 150 degrees centigrade. A temperature of 60 degrees centigrade will be read. A temperature of 60 degrees centigrade will be read on this thermometer. Will be read on this thermometer. Thermometer as dash. We'll give the options for this one. 40 degrees centigrade, 65 degrees centigrade, 98 degrees centigrade, and 110 degrees centigrade. On a thermometer, the freezing point of water is marked at 20 degrees centigrade and boiling point of water is marked at 150 degrees centigrade. It will read on this scale, on this thermometer as how much? Got it?
$98, sir. 98.
98. Got it, everyone?
98.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
98, sir.
98, very good. So what is the relation? C by 100 is
Yes, sir,
equals to,
98.
yeah, very good. The other temperature thermometer, what? On a thermometer, the freezing point of water, that means X minus, I don't know the new scale. Freezing point is how much for me? 20 divided by boiling point is 150 minus of your 20. That means this is X minus 20 divided by 150 minus 20 is how much? Are
130.
130, Chapal Mari. So this will be C by your 10 is equals to X minus 20 divided by 13 and Rayacha. So this will become for me how much for me? 13 into C is equals to your X minus 20 into your 10. So this will become for me 13 into C. C value how much he has given in the problem?
60.
What is the C value? Temperature 60. So it is
60.
13 into 60 is equals to X minus, that is nothing but of your 10X. This is a 10X minus of your 2 tens are
200.
200. So 13 into 6 times is how much?
78.
How much this can I
78.
divide as? 7?
780.
780. This minus if I take here, this will become for me 200.
Plus.
That is equals to 10x. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 780 plus 200.
980.
980
80.
is equals to 10x. So x is equals to how much? This one gets cancelled. So x is equals to 98 degrees centigrade. So which option? Third option is our correct answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let us try to go for the next question better. Sure. Write this question better. An iron tire is to be fitted. An iron tire is to be fitted on a wooden wheel on a wooden wheel 1 meter in diameter. First off, the diameter of the tire is the diameter of tire is 6 mm smaller, 6 mm smaller than that of the wheel. First off, the tire should be heated. The tire should be heated. The tire should be heated by a temperature of dash. The tire should be heated by a temperature of dash. Coefficient of volume expansion of iron. Coefficient of volume expansion. That means gamma of your iron. Gamma of your iron. Iron is represented by symbol Fe. Gamma of iron is 3.6 into 10 to the power of -5 per degree centigrade. An iron tire is to be fitted on a wooden wheel of 1 meter in diameter. The diameter of the tire is 6 mm smaller than that of the wheel. The tire should be heated by a temperature of dash so that it can fit on that one. Smaller than that of the wheel, the tire should be heated by a temperature of your how much? I'll give the options for this one. So the first option given for me is 167 degrees centigrade. Second option is 334 degrees centigrade. Third option is 500 degrees centigrade. And fourth option is 1000 degrees centigrade. Come on, try to do it out. Done. An iron tire is to be heated on a wooden wheel. This one is your wooden wheel. Bullock cart untundi kada. Bullock carts. This is your wheel right now. Okay. And we are got an iron tire to be fitted on this one. Iron tire is to be fitted on this wooden wheel, which is 1 mm in diameter. This is how much for me? 1 meter. Sorry, diameter is equals how much for me? 1 meter. The diameter of the tire is, that means iron tire is given for me 6 mm. 6 mm. That means it is very, very smaller. This is 1 meter and this is 6 mm. 1 mm is how much for me? 10 to the power of.
Sir, it's 990.
Which one, beta?
Sir, we need to convert it into 1000 millimeters.
Yeah, we need to convert that one into 1000 millimeters. Which one? Diameter of the tire. So this will
Yes,
become
sir.
how much for me?
1000 millimeters.
1000 millimeters. Got it, everyone? How did you convert it this one, beta? 1 mm is equals to 10 to the power of
-3.
-3 meters. That means 1 meter will be equal to how much for me? 1 meter is equals to 1 by 10 to the power of -3 mm. If it goes up, that will become for me how much? 10 to the power of 3 mm. That means 1 meter if is equals to how much for me? 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power of 3 mm. So that is 1000 mm. Now we need to convert this one iron tire. We are having an iron tire. I'll try to draw it on this one. So we need to keep an iron tire on this one. So it should be fitted on this one like this. You might have been seen for the bullock carts in iron strip will be kept on a wooden block of that one. Have you seen it anytime? Tushar,
Yes, sir.
or else if you visit anytime the Shilpakala Vedika, you might be seeing some bullock carts on which the wheel will be there. On that wheel, a metallic strip will be, so what do you call that one, wrapped on that one with a small gap. So during the summer, when they, what do you call that one, wheel is rotating due to the heat, that will expand and will try to fit the complete wooden wheel so that the wooden base of this wheel is not getting damaged and it can be work for a longer period of a time. So now the wheel, whatever we are taking, iron tire is to be fitted on a wooden wheel of 1 mm in diameter. The diameter of the tire is given how much for me? 6 mm only. That means to diameter of the iron tire, diameter of your tire is equals to 6 mm. So how do you write right now in this one? Smaller than that of the wheel. The tire should be smaller than this one, means this will become for me, diameter of this one is smaller than this one, means this will become for me how much? 1000 minus 6 mm. And this one is how much for me?
994.
994 mm. Got it? This one is 994 mm. So this one is diameter of the tire, that is equals to, it is smaller, see here. Diameter of the tire is 6 mm smaller than that of the wheel. That means diameter of the wheel is 1000 minus this one is 6 mm smaller. So this will become for me 994 mm. So diameter of the tire is how much for me? 994 mm. Clear for everyone? So we know the formula right now. L2 is equals to L1 into 1 plus alpha into delta theta. We need to write the calculate this temperature. This length can I write in terms of diameter? Diameter at your T degrees centigrade is equals to diameter at 0 degrees centigrade into 1 plus alpha into delta T. Can I write like this better? Because diameter is nothing but the dimensions of your length. Or I can even write this one in terms of radius. Does it make any difference?
No, sir.
What is the length from here to here means diameter only. Now, so in the place of L2, we'll write the diameter T2 degrees centigrade. In the place of L1, diameter at 0 degrees centigrade into 1 plus alpha into delta T. Diameter at T degrees centigrade is given how much for me? 1000. That is smaller means at 0 degrees centigrade. That is how much for me? 994 into 1 plus alpha into delta theta. So from this one, 1 plus alpha into delta theta is equals to 1000 divided by 994. And then
Yes, sir.
so this will be alpha into delta theta is equals to 1000 divided by 994 minus 1. So let us try to do this calculation. And use some external help and try to give me the answer. 1000 divided by 994 minus 1. Or else you can take the LCM for that one. LCM తీసుకుంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది చూడండి. This will become for me 994.
6 by 994. 6 by 994.
This will become for me 6 by 994. Isn't it? So I need to get the value of delta theta. So delta theta is equals to this alpha will come down. So this one is 6 divided by 994 into alpha. Alpha value the problem. Let us try to simplify that one. So this will become for me 6 divided by 994 into, is alpha given in the problem?
No, sir.
So what we can do?
We can convert it into we can convert gamma into alpha, sir.
What is the relation between them? I told you
Gamma
is
equal to 3 times alpha.
3 times alpha. That means alpha is equals to gamma by 3.
By
I can
3.
write. So this will become for me gamma by 3 means into 3 here right now. I hope you're clear with that one. So here I'm writing this formula. Delta T is equals to how much for me? 3 6 are 18. This one is 18 divided by 994 into gamma. Gamma value of iron is given how much for me? This is gamma of your iron. That is a 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. See this calculation, how much I'm getting. See. 6 into 3 divided by 994 into your 3.6. This one is 3 point beta. This one is a 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 5. How much better? ఎంత? So the second right as 18 divided by 994 into 36. This will become for me 10 to the power of minus 6. Means that means this is 10 to the power of 6. అంతేనా? నియర్ బై చెప్పండి సరిపోతుంది.
Five not three.
How much? ఎంత వస్తుందన్న?
503.
1000 బేటా. ఈజీ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అయిపోతుంది. 508
3.
3, sir.
503.
3, sir. 3.
Okay, 503 degrees centigrade will be the answer. Now see which is matching in the options.
500.
500 is near to this answer. What
500.
will go? So I can take this answer. Third option will be the answer for. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So I hope you got an idea how to do such type of problems. Chalo. Next question, Anand. Chalo. See this question, better. Two rods of length L1 and L2. L1 and L2 are made of materials are made of materials whose coefficient of linear expansions linear expansions are alpha 1 and alpha 2. Alpha 1 and alpha 2. First of all, the difference between their lengths will be the difference between their lengths their lengths will be independent of temperature, will be independent of temperature, if L1 by L2 is equal to, options for this one is alpha 1 by alpha 2. Second option is alpha 2 by alpha 1. Third option is alpha 1 by alpha 2 to the power of your 1 by 2. And fourth option is alpha 2 by alpha 1 to the power of your 1 by 2. Come and see the question carefully. You can do it out. Everyone, try to do it out better. I'm not going to help you out. Please try to take the help of the formula which you know and try to do it out. We got two rods of length L1 and L2, which are made up of material whose coefficient of linear expansions are alpha 1 and alpha 2. The difference, their length will be independent of temperature. That means, what do you mean by that one? Difference between their lengths will be independent of temperature means whatever the temperature you are giving, the expansion or the difference will always remain for me same. Is it meaning the same thing better? What do you understand by this term? The difference between their lengths will be independent of temperature. Means what beta? Whatever may be the temperature, the difference will always remain for me what?
Same.
Same. That is a point you need to understand. Now draw the diagram. First point.
Sir,
What you will try
option
to
2, sir. Alpha
Option?
2 by alpha 1. Option 2.
Alpha 2 by alpha 1. Very good. Alpha 2 by alpha 1 is your answer. See, we got two rods beta. We got this rod as length L1 and this we got as a rod of length L2. Coefficient of linear expansion of this one is alpha 1. Coefficient of linear expansion of this one is nothing but alpha 2. The difference between the difference means what beta? Delta
Same,
L.
sir.
Yeah, delta L of the first rod is equals
Equal
to
to
delta
delta
L
of
of the
second rod.
second rod. Delta L formula is how much better? We know the formula alpha is equals to delta L by L into delta theta. So I can write here delta L is equals to how much for me? Alpha 1 L1 into delta theta is equals to alpha 2 L2 into your delta theta. This delta theta gets cancelled. So it is L1 alpha 1 is equals to L2 alpha 2 is your relation. Is asking L1 by L2. So L1 by L2 is equals to what I can write? Alpha 2 by your alpha 1 is your answer. So second option is correct for. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So ఇట్లా మనం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తుంటే will become more perfect. See, the thing we need to do in the physics is the only thing is we need to do lot number of numericals. Then only you'll be getting an idea to do the problems. If you go on do the theory and go on complete the topics, it is not going to work out. Because in the online we are having only 1 hour time. Generally, when we go for the classes, we'll be having for top sections generally 2 hours or 3 hours, like physics 3 hours, for chemistry 3 hours, and mathematics of it 3 hours. In that one, 1 hour will be teaching, 1.5 hour will be the teaching, and 1.5 hour will be the problem numerical practice part of relation. Okay, now so we need to do still some more problems, a little bit of a higher standard. As you get a vertical idea how to do the small questions, then we'll try to increase our level so that you can increase the standard of doing even the numericals. So don't directly try to go for higher level questions beta. First make your base very clear, level 1 level 2 chain easy ga, then we can try to do the level 3 level 4 level 5 type of questions. But it will be a time consuming. Don't bother of that one, sir, I am not getting well. It will get, but only thing is you need to practice regularly on a regular basis part of relation. Clear for everyone? Chalo, let me give you one more question as an homework. You please try to do it as an homework part of relation. Chalo. Have you got any metals with you, beta? College materials?
No, sir.
No. Sure. Next question, beta. Very good question.
No, sir.
Two rods, one of aluminium and the other made of steel, and the other made of steel, having initial length L1 and L2. are connected together or connected together to form a single rod, to form a single rod of length L1 plus L2. L1 plus L2. First one. The coefficient of linear expansion, the coefficient of linear expansion, the coefficient of linear expansion for aluminum, and steel are alpha A and alpha S. If the length of each rod increases, if the length of each rod increases by same amount, when their temperature are raised by, when their temperature are raised by T degrees centigrade, then find the ratio L1 by L1 plus L2 is equals to how much? I'll give the options for this one. Alpha of steel by alpha of aluminum. Second option is alpha of your aluminum by alpha of steel. Third one is alpha of steel by alpha of your steel plus alpha of your aluminum. And fourth option is alpha of your aluminum divided by alpha of aluminum plus alpha of your steel. So these are the options given for you. Take the screenshot of this question, beta.
Sir, can we use the formula before we have done like L1 by L2?
Yeah, that in the same
transportable?
way you need to do it out. Just think like that and
Can you do like that, sir?
answers in the group, beta, if it is possible for you. Everyone should personally write their name and send the answers in the group. How many of you are there in the group right now? See, in the class, the attendee is right now 18 students. In that 18 students, one is myself, another one is the host. So leaving that 18 means you should be giving answer for me. 16 students should be giving me the answers. So I need the 16 papers on the WhatsApp group, not on my personal number, on the group basically. In the Orbit online classes or in the Orbit online physics classes, you need to give me the answers. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
chalo.
sir.
Take care, beta. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Good morning, students. Today there is no math class, so you can rejoin again at 10:30. I will ping you in WhatsApp group. Okay.
Okay, sir.